Step into the concrete jungle and make your mark at this chic off-campus student residence. With the buzz of Times Square and the allure of iconic landmarks, your New York City adventure begins here. Elevate your university experience at 161 Maujer Street. Unwind in a range of private rooms with full-size beds, crisp sheets, and cozy pillows. Dive into your studies at the desk or kick back with a smart TV. Stay cool with AC and cook up a storm in the fully equipped kitchenette. Weekly housekeeping keeps things fresh and high-speed Wi-Fi keeps you company. Explore the backyard oasis for roommate hangouts. It's more than housing, it's your New York sanctuary. A rough 30 minutes on local transport takes you to the gates of prestigious universities like Brooklyn Law School, New York University, and CUNY Hunter College. Grab a morning coffee at Alita Cafe, brunch at Amaza Cafe, and drinks at Tuffet. Your proximity to Brooklyn and the Lower East Side makes for a never-ending adventure, starting with the iconic Prospect Park, the Brooklyn Bridge, and the sunset atop of the Rock. Ready for the city that never sleeps? Dive into the vibrant New York City student life at amberstudent.com. Your dream accommodation is waiting. Make it unforgettable.